Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be working on a Shelby Cobra 427 Supercharge SC. This is about the only convertible that I really like. I'm not a big fan of convertibles, but I really do like this one. So anyway, we're going to do a little modifications today, so let's go ahead and get started. We've got it drilled apart, and this is what we've got. Okay, the windshield, interior, the base. Have to get some new shoes on that. Go ahead and strip this down and get her painted. We'll be right back. Okay, we got it stripped and painted, and I put some decals on it and put the windshield in. This thing is a bear to get back together, so let me keep on working at it and I'll be right back. We started with this. And this is what we ended up with. This thing was a bear to put together, and it just did not cooperate at all. It was extremely hard for me to do, and I don't know whether it's because it's so small or what, but I really had a tough time with this one, as you can probably see. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Click the little bell. Appreciate any comments, both negative or positive. Thanks again for watching. Catch you on the next one. Have a great day. See you later.